Hello and welcome back to Epoch Cafe. It is a miracle that finally we are listening some good news about main battle tank Arjun Mk1A for Indian Army. Ministry of Defence finally placed an order with Heavy Vehicles Factory located at Chennai for the supply of 118 main battle tanks Arjun Mk1A for the Indian Army. The order worth around 7,523 crore rupees, which is approximately equals to 70 billion rupees. This defense order will provide a further boost to the Make in India initiative in defense sector and is a big step towards achieving Atmanirbhar Bharat, anticipated by the Prime Minister of India Shri Narendra Modi. The Prime Minister had handed over the MBT Arjun Mk1A to the Indian Chief of Army Staff General MM Narawane in Chennai on 14th February 2021. Arjun Mk1 is infused with 72 new features and more indigenous content from the Mk1 variant, which is solely developed here in India. The tank would ensure effortless mobility in all terrains, which was even tested in Ladakh sector. Arjun Mk1A is capable for precise target engagement during day and night mission roles. Main battle tank Arjun has been designed and developed by the Defence Research and Development Organization. According to Defence Ministry, Arjun Mk1A is equipped with accurate and superior firepower, all-terrain mobility, and invincible multi-layer protection to ensure safety of the crew members. It can take on the enemy targets during day and night conditions and in both static and dynamic modes. This indigenous MBT Arjun Mk1A proves to be an effective and robust killing machine. This tank is mainly configured and designed for Indian conditions, and hence it is suitable for deployment to protect the frontiers in any sort of terrain. This production order to Heavy Vehicles Factory Avadi opens up a large avenue in defense manufacturing industry for over 200 Indian vendors with a prospect of employment opportunity of around 8,000 people. For your information, MBT Arjun Mk1A has been designed and developed by the Combat Vehicles Research and Development Establishment, along with other laboratories of DRDO within 2 years of the time lapse between 2010 and 2012. The development activities started initially from June 2010 and the tank was readily handed over for trials in June 2012. It took only 2 years to develop and field the main battle tank Arjun Mk1A for user trials. If you like this video, hit on subscribe, and in case you have more information available relevant to Arjun Mk1A, please post your opinion in the comment section.